We feel like celebrities now.
Finally. After all of them creams away, all them moisturisers.
Mick, thank you for participating in this small interview here. Mick, could you please tell us about your position and especially your role in the Marine Harvest project here at Valsnes, Norway?
Okay, yeah, Marine Harvest hired me to come in as their global development engineer to build up infrastructure. And that's infrastructure in every aspect of salmon farming and feed. So on this project in particular, I began with the concept, did the due diligence, financial and practical sides, and then once I had all of the flow diagram and everything set that was necessary, I felt, I went out to the different subcontractors and contractors, put together the bid packages and then put the whole project together. And then my job is then to execute the project and to get the factory up and running on time and on budget. So that's my project today.
And that's where we come in, Assentoft Silo.
Yep.
And what has been supplied from Assentoft Silo?
Assentoft Silo has supplied all the raw material storage silos on the site. So that's 8 500 tonne and 8 1,000 tonne silos. We went out to 4 different companies to bid on that particular package, and Assentoft was successful not on price but on the sheer quality. We were not interested in the low cost options. We were looking for long-term quality because of the products we handle and the environment that we're in up here on the Norwegian coast.
All right. Could you please describe the cooperation that has been between Assentoft Silo and Marine Harvest during this building process?
Well, in all honesty, Assentoft and Marine Harvest both moved onto the site within a month of each other. So we were basically the first groups here behind the civil contractors. And Assentoft has gone ahead following the guidelines that we've all used for the health and safety of the site. And they've gone ahead and executed the installation of the project under their own supervision and with very little information required from us other than what we discussed in the beginning of the bid package. So a very simple installation from a Marine Harvest standpoint.
Yeah, thank you. What is your impression of the cooperation between Assentoft Silos and the other sub-suppliers?
I would say that in all of the projects I've done around the world for the last 25, 30 years, I've never come across where I have groups that work together so closely. And on this site, in particular Assentoft and Cumbria, have been function so well as a unit, it's hard to discern that there's a difference, because although one group's supplying the mechanical conveyance package, it's seamless between the two companies, and that's really made the job easier for controlling the site when you have 15 different companies on site. Yeah. To know that you've got 2 and 3, 4 companies working together so closely that I don't have to take hourly decisions. We have a discussion, as you know, once a day for 10 minutes, and that's the end of it. Yeah. So it's been like that all the way through.
Very good, that's how impressive as well. Could you please tell us about the reason you were talking about why you chose us?
Yeah, the fish meal can be harsh on certain materials, and so and it's also about the handling system. Is it really man enough for the job? And here in Norway and on this site, we're building to a wind load of 55 meters a second. That's a hurricane force. Yeah. And we needed to know that we were going to get components that could stand up. And the Assentoft solution was prefabricated, bring it to the site and bolt it together. And in all honesty, when you look at that, you say to yourself, well, okay, sounds good, will it happen? Yes, in the case here, it's happened. I don't recall times when holes have been in the wrong place or anything's really been other than bolt together and put it up. And it's been well planned from start to finish.
Yeah. This new fish plant here is located very close to the sea, obviously. It must be important for you that the silos are made of hot dip galvanized materials.
Absolutely crucial. Yeah. Any other material would not have any life expectancy beyond 5 years. Wow. So we're looking really, this factory has got a 30-year expectation from Marine Harvest, and I know the silos will require minimal maintenance and they'll get through that easy, especially the way that they've been built.
All right. And so far, does the supply of silos from Assentoft live up to your expectations?
I'd go as far as say beyond.
Oh, very nice.
No, it really, you always have a margin of doubt, but that's been taken care of through the installation, and I'm absolutely thrilled with the quality of the work, and the workmanship has been fantastic.
Thank you very much. Is there anything else you want to add, positive, negative?
We'll be calling you as soon as we get the plans ready for the next factory.
Thank you very much. Very good.
All right.
Thank you.